Hi, this is Yolanda Van Veen, and in this segment we're going to talk about how to grow honeydew melons. So the materials that you will need are honeydew melon seeds or a plant that's already growing that you get from a start, and an area to grow it, a large area, because they do make a big vine. So first step, start your melons after the last freeze, but wait a little longer. You want the nights to be warm, at least 50, even 60 degrees or warmer, because if it's too cold, they're just not going to grow at all and the seeds will die. So wait till even June is a good time to start your melons if you live in a colder climate, because you want it to be warm outside at night. So when you plant them, just make little raised areas and then just put a little trough and sprinkle the seeds in and cover them up about 1 inch and water them well. Next step, they'll grow a big viney plant through the summer, and in the fall they'll produce these wonderful, wonderful honeydew melons. Usually it's more late summer if you live in a little bit warmer climate. And then take your melons off of the plant and enjoy them. And when the plant turns brown, just pull it up and throw it in the compost bin.